What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Kaspa fam, we're taking over, man. Caspians, we're taking over. Kaspa, one of the few altcoins that's in the green. Every other altcoin is down right now, man. Kaspa, one of the few that's in the green, chilling at that 3.6 cent mark. $725 million in market cap, $24.7 million in 24-hour trade volume. Absolutely insane how bullish Kaspa is. I'm just taken back by how bullish this chart is. It's so insane to me, man. Like that $1 to $5 Kas, imminent. It's so imminent, it's insane, right? So I just got to thank you guys for the continued support. It really means a lot. I'll do my best to make consistent content on Kaspa, and everybody that tunes in, like I said, I'm truly appreciative of it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Kaspa and myself be in the description. Subscribe, man. Like the video, blow the video up. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Dave Free, Royal Star, go push your crap in some other room. I guess Royal Star was talking down on Kas, man. All of these people shilling other projects under Kas. Oh, Royal Star, oh, I see. Royal Star is shilling. Royal Star is shilling projects under Kas because he knows how big the Kaspa community is. He's trying to pump his project, man. Royal Star, it's better you just get into Kaspa, my guy. That's the smartest thing to do. Deepa, Hodlers are continuously posting negative messages related to Kaspa to bring down the price because they're waiting for and want to fill their bags at low prices. Just ignore the Hodlers and just believe in Kaspa because Kaspa is only Kaspa, and that's a fact. If you want to get richer, don't sell a single token of Kas until 2025, and that is a complete fact. Just hold, man. Buy in, get your bag, put it in your hardware wallet, right? I know a lot of people are using Tangent. Right, we also have wrapped Kaspa that you could put into Trezor or Ledger on ETH, on the ETH network, right? With the wrapped Kaspa, put it in the buy your bag, put it in the hardware wallet, and then just forget about it, man. Don't worry about this short-term price action because going into the bull run, Kas is gonna turn a lot of heads. It's gonna shock many people. Kasparicus sold almost everything in the last few months to put it into Kaspa. Only have BTC Kas now. These are my picks, not selling the Bitcoin. Okay, no, Bitcoin is a store of value. I'm not mad at it. Look at all these people shilling other projects, man. Insane. Hold or hodl or go home, dude. You guys don't want to let it drop. Just let it do its thing. Help the dippage buy, sell, and then buy back at 2 cents. Thank me later. Hey, everybody's looking for that entry, man. I'm telling you, everybody wants Kas to drop at such a low level. Oh, Karen got some nice info. Kaspa has been accepted in 18 businesses so far. Digital silver, what? Oh man, that's crazy. This is why you go through the CMC replies. I wish I had a better image of this. That's crazy. 18 businesses that's using Kaspa so far. Because of how fast Kaspa's speed is, man. Why, use any other blockchain when Kaspa, well, BlockDAG. Why use any other crypto layer 1 when you have Kas, man, and how powerful it is. 18 businesses using Kas to transact, man. And the number, I'm telling you guys, that number will just keep growing. It's gonna be a consistent growth, man. From AppSat, Kas, brace yourself. New top exchange is coming. Now, I actually saw that. Hold on, Karen once again with some nice stuff. Exciting times for Kaspa. Mining distribution is improving, and now it's listed on 11 exchanges. Looking forward to seeing it on top 5 exchanges soon. Some say it's the Bitcoin 2.0. Just look at the lightning speed. Kas, BlockDAG, not blockchain. It's BlockDAG. But yeah, Kaspa Pool org 18%, Hum Pool 13%. The mining stats right here, and like Karen said, the distribution is improving a lot. Karen is dropping gems, man. This is why I go through the CMC replies. Austin, Texas. Ready for a big bag. Heat mining. Adjusted rig for Cas. Northern Beach. I'm bullish on Cas. I am too. Alpha. Cas massive rig community. Pays for stuff. It shows that team is solid and more serious. Don't listen to brokies like Darfish. This poor kid only come out of his hole to FUD and just started crypto. They got a lot of drama going on over there, man. 68.1k followers on the Cast Twitter. I'm not listening to any FUD that, you know, is on Cast, man. I know this is gonna crush it. Never have I had more conviction on a project. A significant step forward for the Kaspa community. A crowdfunding campaign has launched for a listing on a tier 1 exchange. Remember, support isn't just monetary. Let's spread the Kaspa word and grow together. And look at this, 100,000 views, 106,000 views on X or Twitter for this tweet, man. So they have a crowdfunding to get listed on a tier 1 exchange. Support doesn't always have to be monetary, guys. It's spreading the awareness, and that's what I'm doing with my channel, guys. So like I said, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The more you guys support content creators for Cas, the bigger Cas grows, man. It's just how it works, man. So you know, people like me that are grassroot Kaspa content creators, show some love, man. I'm a grassroots content creator for Cas, guys. You know, it'd be awesome if you guys continue to support. We also got some videos from Captain Sats that I'm check out in this video, guys. Some nice information to break down, like how a lot of these people in the past, in 2013, 2014, were using Jonathan's ghost technology and implementing it into their protocols. Projects like ETH, Cadena, DOT, Cardano, right? They were figuring out ways to use ghost in their protocols. Now we see what happens when all of these protocols from Jonathan's work is actually put into a project, and just how, you know, bullish and how well designed it is, right? Trying to find a great words to use for describing Kaspa, because Kaspa is all these technologies on like the next like level 100, level 1000, right? And these are the protocols, these old protocols now, in my opinion, because a lot of these are dino coins now, in my opinion, are, you know, still at level 5, right? So let's take a look at this video. Let me make sure my audio is on point. I don't blow you guys' ears out. Hold on. And we got from Captain Sats, Cadena, Head of Research and Networks, Monica Quaintance, and Stuart Poppy Joy, talking about protocols in 2018. Ghost is Kaspa founder's old work in 2013 and a reference point for many. Check the new protocols on Kas from the same OG researchers. Let's take a look, man.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 2018 Hack Summit. We're joined today by Monica Quaintance and Stuart Popejoy from Cadena.
An opportunity to make variations on Bitcoin's proof of work. For example, Ethereum. Ethereum adopted the Ghost protocol. Well, part of the Ghost protocol.
Right there, the Ghost protocol, right? Part of the Ghost protocol, which was developed by Jonathan Sampolinsky, the founder of Kas, man, right? The only difference is with Jonathan, he don't have a huge amount of said coin to dump on retail investors like you and me, like the Ethereum Foundation does.
Protocol. And really, they implemented two really awesome features to blockchain. Probably many more, but at least two. The two that I want to talk about, they have this distributed computation engine, the EVM, and this idea of having code on a blockchain. Very new, totally cracked open this whole world of smart contracts, which we are totally bought into, and Stu will talk about later. And they've also, this idea of using the Ghost protocol to have uncle and orphan blocks. It allows you to have more references to blocks which means that if you have more references, it's less likely that your chain will ever be abandoned.
This is so crazy to think about, man. This is so insane to think about, that Ethereum literally had to implement the same protocol that Cas is using, but it's using the lower level version of it, the low tier version of it, whereas Cas is using the, top scale, Ritz-Carlton next level version of the Ghost Dag Knight protocol, and it keeps getting developed to even more higher standards, taken to even higher forms of technology, man. It's super crazy to think about, guys.
Less like, so it decreased your confirmation time because it probabilistically increases your. So these innovations have made Ethereum much faster and more interesting for developers. So Kaspa, the TFG version, this is the correct by construction version that Vlad and his team are working on at Ethereum. It doesn't just take Uncle blocks from Ghost, it uses the whole greediest subtree.
Wow. Right there, man. This was in, what year was this? Kaspa founders all work in 2013 and a reference point of many. So this was in 2018 with Cadena, right, at a hack summit, and we're talking about that. And Ghost, like Captain Sat said, is Jonathan's old work, man, and a lot of these protocols are using it as a reference point in now their protocol. We've checked out this video before.
With Ghost protocol.
We've checked out this video before. We're gonna take a quick look at it. You guys gotta follow all these Kaspa accounts, man. You get so much gems, like they be in the rabbit hole, man, and you get so much information to help you further research on why I'm bullish, or a lot of people are bullish on Kaspa.
I developed the hobby of devising alternative consensus protocols based on proof of work. It started with Ghost protocol, Spectre, and Phantom Ghost Dad. But none of these protocols, nor any other consensus protocol, achieves what we set out to do in Dag Knight. So,
see that? None of these other protocols achieves what we set out to do in Dag Knight, from Jonathan himself, and that's where we are heading with Cas, right? Look at this: Nakamoto consensus, Phantom, and Dag Knight. Because Ghost Dag, etc., is still like below the is still below those levels of scaling, solving the trilemma. I'm telling you guys, it's only a matter of time. These community developers in Cas, more and more will get into Cas. We're gonna level up. The project is gonna just continue leveling up, and before you know it, there's gonna be 30 blocks per second, and smart contracts as well. We already see how fast Cas is. You guys saw my previous video with the speeds compared to Solana speeds and Kaspa speeds. It's gonna be bonkers, guys. I'm telling you. The last video right here from Captain Sats. Here's the chief scientist at IOHK, Agelos Kia. This is a company behind Cardano. He's talking about Cas, Ghost, and what it's famous for. Check the new protocols on Kaspa by the OG researchers.
We also analyze the Ghosts rule, and we have a probable security for this variant of Nakamoto's longest chain wins rule. So Ghost means greedy, heaviest observed subtree, and you can think of this as a variation of the main blockchain protocol of Nakamoto. I'm not going to explain how it works, but the main, it's also famous because it's implemented in Ethereum.
Right there, man. Ghost. I didn't even know it stood for a greedy, heaviest observed subtree. Wow, okay. Insane. A lot of, man, when you do your research, when you dive deep into projects that have great innovative technology, you get blown away, man. This is so insane to think about. I wish I was researching a lot of these stuff a lot earlier when I saw Cas, because I saw it at around less than a cent, 0.005 or something like that, right? And I should have did more research back then, but we here, gotta be thankful for what you got, right? We're gonna see what happens going into the bull cycle, man. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself, it's right below. Support the channel, become a Patreon member, become a channel member, blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.